What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Thank you so much for coming back for yet another episode. So it is not even February, guys, and we are doing the first landscaping project of 2018. Let's check it out right now. Sorry guys, I know you can't see me too well. It's like 25 degrees out, and I just did part of a mulch job, and let me be totally honest with you, it was probably the worst mulch job I've ever done, ever, and right here is why. So we have a huge hill to get up to before the upper part on both sides, and then you have a nice curb on the driveway, so you can't get the wheelbarrow up. And even if you could get it to there, you definitely cannot get it on that side because of the curb there by the steps. And that is absolutely crazy. It was such a pain. So the first couple wheelbarrows I loaded up, the first one took it right on up, right to there, no problem. The second one was a little bit interesting. The second one, I started wheeling it up, and first of all, you know, the ground is frozen and it's been raining. It warms up to rain and then cools back off, which is frustrating because I would really like some snow so I could do some snow. Anyway, so I'm wheeling the wheelbarrow up and both feet slip out and the wheelbarrow comes back, the handles land on the hill, and half the mulch rains right over me. First time that's happened. Thankfully, I have my nice hat on here and got my head covered, so it wasn't too bad, but just an absolute pain to get up that hill. Did not really realize how much of a pain it was actually going to be when I was looking at the job, but I guess you live and learn. We got this front yard just about done, and I'll show you guys up close here. So a nice natural edge, that's what they wanted, underneath this pine tree. Oh, I forgot to blow off the stones and that windowsill. Good thing I'm doing this. And then, nice natural edge again, right along here. Nice outdoor lighting here. So, yep, not too bad. Rounded it off real nice, right to that downspout. And then we got back here, this is where we ran out, and so far we've used 1.5 yards, so I'm gonna have to talk to the customer about how much more they want, because the backyard they said wasn't really a necessity, but the front yard was, so gotta talk to them about that. But so we dumped the last little bit right here, and then customer did a nice edge there, and so we could do on both sides of the fence here. We will see what they want, and yeah, worst mulch job already, and it's only February. Boy, oh boy. Hopefully the rest of the year isn't like this. Let me show you guys quick in the back what potentially needs to be done, and then we'll wrap it up. So right along in here, around this corner, and right there to the corner of the house, got to get those leaves out, and right around there, and then potentially along this whole side here. To, I think that pole is where they wanted to stop. The customer would like me to blow the leaves from that corner right by the house, and all this side here, blow that all the way to that back corner, and then that way they can just sort of compost there. Not personally what I would do, but that's what they want. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching this quick little walk around, and we'll catch you guys in the next episode, and and have a great rest of your day.